Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add motion blur effect in CapCut. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So click on CapCut. Now click on new project to add your video that you want. I have already added a video. So I will just simply drag to the point where I want to add motion blur effect. So this is the point where I want to add motion blur effect. So I will just scroll around it, and then what I need to do is click on effects. Now click on video effects. Now search for basic option. Click on basic, and as you can see in the second row, you will find a motion blur effect. So click on it and you can adjust the intensity of it. You can decrease it or increase it, or you can decrease the horizontal lines here. I will keep it around 60. Okay, now click on check. Now you can decrease the motion blur. I will keep it until here. So now we will preview the video. So as you can see, I will show you without motion blur how does it look. Okay, now we will add motion blur here. Okay, so that's it for today guys. That's how you can add motion blur effect in CapCut. See you soon. Have a good day.